In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate using QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a powerful tool for managing finances, and creating estimates can be a crucial part of running your business smoothly. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to QuickBooks. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you're ready to start creating your estimate. Look for the New button towards the left on the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a list of options where you can create different types of documents. From this list, select Estimate. This is where you will start building your financial proposal for your customer. An estimate basically helps you give your clients an idea of the cost involved before you finalize a sale. Once you've clicked on the Estimate option, you're directed to a new page where you can input all the necessary details for your estimate. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Add Customer. Click on it and either select an existing customer from your list or add a new one. Adding your customer's data allows you to keep track of who you are sending the estimate to and keeps your records organized. Next, you'll want to set the estimate date. This is simply the date you are creating this estimate, and it's important because it helps in organizing and maintaining a timeline for your documentation. Selecting the date is straightforward. Just click on Estimate Date and choose a date from the calendar that appears. After setting the estimate date, you'll want to set an expiration date. This date signifies how long your estimate will remain valid. It's an important aspect of managing expectations with your clients regarding how long they have to confirm the estimate. Now let's move to the Product or Service section. Here, click to add the items or services you are including in the estimate. This step is important as it lets you specify exactly what goods or services you're quoting for, including any details your client might need. You can add multiple products or services depending on your customer's requirement. Then proceed to the Description section. This is where you can provide a detailed description of the products or services listed. It's a great opportunity to add any additional information or notes that might clarify what's included in the estimate for your customer, ensuring transparency and avoiding misunderstandings later on. Once all your information is filled in and you have double-checked everything, it's time to click on Review and Send. This will give you a final look at the estimate so you can make any last-minute adjustments. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and send the estimate to your client. And that's it. You've successfully created an estimate in QuickBooks, providing your customer with a clear and professional proposal. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you next time.